Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to online social classroom. In the previous classes, we studied about the three arguments for democracy or merits of democracy. Today, we are going to study about next two arguments for democracy. Let us study in detail. Dear children, what is the strongest argument for democracy? The strongest argument for the democracy is not about what the democracy does to the government. It is about what the democracy does to the citizen. So what is it? What is the strongest argument for democracy? The democracy enhances the dignity of the citizen. So it is better than any other forms of government such as dictatorship or monarchy. Even if the democracy does not bring out any good decision or accountable government, still it is better than any other forms of government. So what is the strongest argument for democracy? Democracy enhances the dignity of the citizen. How does democracy enhance the dignity of the citizen?
What is political equality? Political equality means every people have the right to vote and the right to contest in election, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, economic status, etc. It is the principle of political equality on recognizing that the poorest and the richest, the least educated and the educated have the same status. Regarding the voting, every people, the poorest and the richest, the least educated and the educated have the same status. People are not the subject of a ruler. People are not the subject of a government. They are the ruler themselves. Even when they make mistakes, they are responsible for their conduct. Thus, the democracy enhances the dignity of the citizen.
Finally, democracy is better than any other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. How?
There is no guarantee that mistakes cannot be made in democracy. No form of government can guarantee that. Whether it is monarchy or dictatorship or democracy, mistakes will be happened. The advantage in a democracy is that such mistakes cannot be hidden for long. The media will find out the mistakes or opposition party leaders will find out the mistakes. So there is a space for public discussion on these mistakes and there is a room for correction. There is a room for correction means there is a chance for correction. Either the rulers have to change their decision or the rulers can be changed. If the rulers do not work according to the wishes of the people, they may not be elected the next time. They have to work according to the wishes of the people. This cannot happen in non-democratic government. Thus, we can tell that democracy is better than any other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. The mistakes cannot be hidden for long. There is a room for correction.
Dear students, we studied about the arguments for democracy. What are the arguments for democracy? First one, a democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. Second one, it improves the quality of decision making. Third one, a democratic government is a better government because it deals with the differences and conflict. Fourth one, it enhances the dignity of the citizen. And last one, it allows us to correct its own mistake. Thus, we can say that democracy is a better form of government than the dictatorship and monarchy. Next one, What is the broader meaning of democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which the representatives of an area sit together to take the decision. That means the representative of the state, they sit together to take the decision related to the concerned state. Elections are held regularly to choose their representatives, and the citizens are allowed to participate in the election. This type of representative democracy is necessary because modern democracy involves a large number of people. Citizens does not have the time, desire or the skill to take part in all the decisions. Thus, the democracy is also a principle that can be applied in every sphere of life. Dear children, our topic is over. This chapter is also over. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test questions are also attached. Bye.